Hey guys, it's Jonathan DIY Idol, and this is Son. So today we're gonna be building a shelf called a Vesken. Correct me in the comments if that's wrong, but it's from IKEA, and we're gonna be setting it up. So I got it out of the wrapping, and it comes with 4 of these in shelves. You can't put liquids in them or anything, but I don't need liquids in it because they have holes in it. And then it comes with these pegs to put in. And then I'll show you how to put in one, and then I'll do the rest. Here are the instructions right here. There's a bunch of warnings here. So here's where it starts how to build. So you put pegs in right here, and then you put in these parts. They snap in. Then you put one of them on, and then you put those on. And then you put these pegs on the top. So I got it in there. And then once you get it in, make sure this side right there goes in to that one, and then you get one of these pegs, and then you put it in. And then you got that. Now you just slide the other basket in on the bottom. And then all of these go in. So we got one of the legs in there. And then we're putting in the other pegs there. So on here, it's really weird because it has to lock in. And what I mean by locking is because there's a tab in there that you have to latch this one into, and then you have to latch that one into this one. So here is the final completed shelf. It was a little flimsy. I don't like the holes, but I like how it dimples in there, and I do like how there is some feet on the bottom, and I like these little caps on the top.
So in the end, it's a good size that we like. It definitely has the advantages that if you're going to use it in a garage, a basement, or any place that you could get moisture, that the holes on the bottom will allow it some airflow and allow it to dry or drain. However, keep in mind, if you have something that leaks on top, it is going to go to anything below. You definitely want to put weight on the bottom because the stability of this is a little, as you can see right there, little suspect unless you got some weight on the bottom or you got it anchored too well. All in all, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did,
please consider liking and subscribing.
Take care
and have a great day.